The digital age has brought us incredible advancements. We live in a world where technology is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, digital devices are our constant companions. They help us navigate our day, keep us connected, and provide us with endless entertainment. We have information at our fingertips. With just a few taps, we can access a wealth of knowledge that previous generations could only dream of. Whether it's finding the answer to a burning question, learning a new skill, or staying updated with the latest news, the internet has made it all possible. We can connect with anyone, anywhere. Social media platforms and communication apps have bridged the gap between distances, allowing us to maintain relationships and build new ones, regardless of geographical boundaries. We can share our lives, our thoughts, and our experiences with the world in real time. Yet, this convenience comes at a cost. As we immerse ourselves in the digital realm, we often overlook the hidden price we pay. The very tools that empower us also have the potential to control us. Our dependence on technology has made us vulnerable in ways we might not fully comprehend. Our every click, every like, every search is tracked. The digital footprints we leave behind are meticulously recorded and analyzed. This data is used to create detailed profiles of our preferences, habits, and behaviors. It's a treasure trove of information that can be exploited for various purposes. We have become walking data points. In the eyes of tech companies, we are not just users. We are data generators. Our online activities are constantly monitored, and our personal information is commodified. This data-driven world raises important questions about privacy and autonomy. Our digital lives are controlled by a handful of powerful companies. These tech giants have unprecedented influence over our online experiences. They determine the algorithms that shape our news feeds, the ads that target us, and the content that gets promoted. Their decisions impact our perceptions and choices. These tech giants hold immense power. Their reach extends far beyond the digital realm, affecting economies, politics, and societies. They have the resources to shape public opinion and drive global trends. This concentration of power in the hands of a few raises concerns about accountability and fairness. They decide what we see, what we hear, and even what we think. The content we consume is curated by algorithms designed to maximize engagement. This can create echo chambers where we are exposed only to information that reinforces our existing beliefs. It can also lead to manipulation, as our emotions and behaviors are subtly influenced. This centralized control has consequences. It affects our ability to make informed decisions and undermines our sense of agency. When our choices are shaped by unseen forces, we must question the true extent of our freedom. Are we really in control, or are we being controlled? Our data is vulnerable to breaches, our privacy is eroded, our choices are manipulated. The digital age has brought about new challenges that we must address. Cybersecurity threats, data breaches, and privacy violations are becoming increasingly common. We need to be vigilant and proactive in protecting our digital rights. This is not the future we imagined. The promise of a connected world has been overshadowed by the realities of surveillance and control. We must rethink our relationship with technology and strive for a future that prioritizes human values and freedoms. We, the people, should have control over our digital lives. It's time to demand greater transparency and accountability from tech companies. We need to advocate for policies that protect our privacy and ensure that technology serves the public good. We deserve a decentralized future, a future where power is distributed and individuals have control over their own data. By embracing decentralized technologies and fostering a culture of digital empowerment, we can create a more equitable and just digital world. The internet as we know it is changing. Web 3 is emerging. This new iteration of the web promises to revolutionize the way we interact with digital platforms. Unlike the current centralized systems, Web 3 aims to decentralize control, giving power back to the users. Imagine a world where your online identity is not controlled by a few large corporations, but by you. This is the vision of Web 3. It promises a decentralized future, a future where data is not stored in massive centralized servers, but distributed across a network of nodes. This means no single point of failure, making the system more robust and secure. The blockchain technology that underpins Web 3 ensures that data is immutable and transparent, fostering trust among users. In Web 3, users have control. They can manage their own digital identities, decide what information to share, and with whom. This is a significant shift from the current model where users often have little to no control over their data. With Web3, the power dynamics are changing, putting users in the driver's seat. Our data is our own. Our privacy is protected. In a world where data breaches and privacy violations are all too common, Web3 offers a glimmer of hope. By leveraging advanced cryptographic techniques, Web3 ensures that our personal information remains secure and private. This is not just about protecting data, it's about empowering individuals. We are no longer just products. We are participants. In the Web3 ecosystem, users are active participants rather than passive consumers. They can contribute to the development of the network, earn rewards for their contributions, and have a say in how the platform evolves. This participatory model fosters a sense of community and collaboration. Imagine a world where you own your data, where you have the keys to your digital life. This is the promise of Web3. Ownership and control are at the heart of this new paradigm. Users can store their data securely, share it selectively, and even monetize it if they choose. This level of control is unprecedented in the digital age. Imagine a world where you decide how it is used. You set the terms, you control the access. This is the vision of a decentralized web, a web where users are in charge, not corporations. This shift in control is not just about data, it's about redefining the relationship between users and digital platforms. This is the promise of Web3, a promise of a more equitable, secure, and user-centric internet. But achieving this vision is not without its challenges. The transition from centralized to decentralized systems requires significant technological advancements and a shift in mindset. However, many so-called Web3 platforms still rely on centralized systems. This reliance undermines the very principles of decentralization. True Web3 platforms must move beyond these limitations and fully embrace decentralized architectures. They promise decentralization, but fall short. The journey to a fully decentralized web is fraught with obstacles. From technical challenges to regulatory hurdles, the path is not easy, but the potential rewards make it worth pursuing. True decentralization requires a different approach. It requires collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to the principles of transparency and trust. It requires building systems that are resilient, scalable, and truly decentralized. It requires a network built on trust and transparency. A network where users can interact with confidence, knowing that their data is secure and their privacy is respected. This is the future that Web3 promises. A future where the internet is a place of empowerment, not exploitation. PiNetwork is different. It is a true Web3 ecosystem. It is built on a foundation of decentralization. Pi does not rely on centralized servers. It is powered by its community. Millions of people, just like you, are contributing to the PiNetwork. PiNetwork uses blockchain technology. This ensures security and transparency. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger. No single entity controls the network. This makes PiNetwork incredibly resilient. PiNetwork is powered by its users. Millions of people run Pi nodes. These nodes form a decentralized network. This network validates transactions. It secures the blockchain. No single point of failure exists. Imagine a network of computers spread across the globe. Each computer contributes to the network's security. This is the power of Pi's decentralized nodes. Section 5. Weathering the storm. Pi's resilience in the face of adversity. Centralized systems are vulnerable. They rely heavily on a single point of control, which can be a significant weakness. A single point of failure can bring down the entire system. Imagine a row of dominoes. If one falls, the rest follow. Wars, natural disasters, and cyber attacks can disrupt these systems. These events can cause massive outages and data loss. But PiNetwork is different. It stands out because of its unique architecture. Its decentralized nature makes it resilient. Unlike centralized systems, PiNetwork doesn't have a single point of failure. If one part of the network goes down, other parts can continue to operate. This redundancy ensures continuous operation. This ensures the network remains online. Users can rely on PiNetwork even in the face of adversity. PiNetwork is built for a future of uncertainty. It is designed to adapt and thrive no matter what challenges arise. The team behind PiNetwork continuously works to improve its resilience. They monitor the network's health and make necessary adjustments. Collaboration and innovation are at the heart of PiNetwork. The community plays a crucial role in its development and stability. With a global reach, PiNetwork connects people from all corners of the world. This widespread adoption further strengthens its resilience. Security is also a top priority. The network employs advanced encryption and security measures to protect user data. Users can trust that their information is safe and that the network will be there when they need it most. PiNetwork is not just a technological innovation, it's a beacon of hope for a more resilient and connected future. Section 6. Trust and Transparency, the cornerstones of the Pi ecosystem. Trust is essential in a decentralized world. PiNetwork takes trust seriously. It uses KYC or Know Your Customer verification. This prevents fraud and ensures the integrity of the network. KYC verifies the identities of users. It prevents bad actors from joining the network. This builds trust within the Pi community. PiNetwork is committed to creating a safe and secure ecosystem. Section 7. Pi redefining the digital landscape, one domain at a time. PiNetwork is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is building a new internet. The Pi domain is a key part of this vision. The Pi domain is a decentralized alternative to traditional domains. It gives users more control over their online identities. It empowers developers to create decentralized applications. The Pi domain is a step towards a more open and equitable internet. Section 8. PiNetwork, a catalyst for a decentralized future. PiNetwork is leading the way towards a decentralized future. It empowers individuals, it promotes community, it fosters innovation. PiNetwork is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is a movement. Join the millions of pioneers already building the future of the internet. Together, we can create a more equitable and decentralized world. Section 9. A universe of possibilities, Pi's journey beyond the horizon. We are at the cusp of a new era. The digital landscape is changing. Decentralization is the future. PiNetwork is at the forefront of this revolution. The journey has just begun. The possibilities are endless. Join us as we explore the vast universe of PiNetwork.